When we work with strings, sometimes they're not in the format that we want them to be in. And so we can use some tests, some Boolean string method tests, to figure out what format the strings are in. So let's take a look. So we have several Boolean string methods that will return a true or a false. For instance, we have this Python isalpha, and you just add that method to the end of a string or string variable. The name is lowercase isalpha with parentheses, and then when we run that, we see it's true. If I put a space in there, is it still true? No, because a space is not an alphabetical character. How about if I put a exclamation? Still false. So in order to have a isalpha pass, you need only letters of the alphabet. Here I have isalpha numeric, or alnum, and so same thing. If I run that, it's true because it has digits and it has alphabetic characters. So again, if I put a space in there, that resolves to false. A very useful method is startswith, and in startswith you can put in a string or a character. And so in this case I'll see if save starts with S, and we expect that is false. False because this is case sensitive, and so the only way to get truth there is to have an exact match, and now it is true. So starts with can be very useful. Here I have is hey lower. Looks like it's yelling, so that's false. So maybe I need to find out if it's upper. Yes, it is upper indeed. Title is something that checks if every word separated by a space in your string is uppercase. And so that is true, but the end is not true. And we also said earlier we can use a string variable. So here I'm going to get the string of digits 176 to be centimeter height, and then I'm going to see are all of those digits, and it says yes, that's true. And if I took the quotes off, what would happen? I'll get an error because this is not a string, and this only runs on strings. So I can also use my string methods inside of a comma formatted print statement. And so over here I have this centimeter height, is it a digit? And so then I just ask, I said, is centimeter height, and then I show the height, is it all digits? We can run that, and it says 176 is all digits, true. So this is where the true false evaluates, and I put that right into a print statement. So when we're working with the various Boolean string methods, we're able to identify what is in our strings and different elements of our strings, such as what letters it starts with, upper, lower, title.